Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fry turkey tails. First, ensure your turkey tails are clean and dry. Rinse them well under cold water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy results. Next, season them generously with your preferred blend of spices, making sure to coat all sides evenly for maximum flavor. Now let's get those turkey tails ready for frying. Set up a 3-station breading process. First, season flour. Second, an egg wash. And third, season breadcrumbs. Dip each tail into the flour, then the egg wash, and finally coat it completely in the breadcrumbs. This creates a delicious, crispy crust. It's time to fry. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of cooking oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few breaded turkey tails into the hot oil, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pot. Fry them until they are a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes per batch. Once your turkey tails are perfectly fried, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. This helps maintain their crispiness. Let them rest for a few minutes, then serve them hot. They pair wonderfully with your favorite dipping sauce, making a fantastic appetizer or main dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.